Hi, I'm Stevie from Gloucestershire Wildlife Trust and I'm here at Robinswood Hill with our volunteer Anne.
Hello.
And welcome to our school's online wildlife quiz for 2021. This is round one and we have a number of questions to ask you, so get ready. The first question, which one of these is a mammal? A hedgehog, a swift or a brimstone? A hedgehog, a swift or a brimstone? Which one of these is a mammal? Perch, a red squirrel or a wren? Perch, red squirrel or wren? Which one of these is a mammal? Siskin, smooth newt, bank vole? Siskin, smooth newt or a bank vole? Stickleback, which one of these is a mammal? A stickleback, badger or turd? Stickleback, badger or turd, which is a mammal? This set of questions is around looking for an insect. So which one of these is an insect? A limpet, a ladybird or a grey wagtail? A limpet, a ladybird or a grey wagtail? Which one of these is an insect? A fly, a teasel or a silver birch? A fly, a teasel or a silver birch? Which one of these is an insect? Stickleback, a yew or an earwig? Stickleback, a yew or an earwig? Which one of these is an insect? A common wasp, a mountain ash or a foxglove? A common wasp, a mountain ash or a foxglove?
Okay, the next are birds. Can you pick out the bird from these? Crow, red clover, alder. Crow, red clover, alder. Which one of these is a bird? Small tortoiseshell, blue tit, rowan. Small tortoiseshell, blue tit, rowan. And which of these is a bird? Magpie, common blue, wild garlic. Magpie, common blue, wild garlic. And which of these is a bird? Elm, thrush, garden tiger. Elm, thrush or garden tiger?
What do we call a very young fox? What do we call a very young fox? What do we call a very young duck? What do we call a very young duck? What do we call a very young badger? A baby badger, what do we call it? What do we call a very young swan? What do we call a very young swan? So the next four questions are around how trees have their seeds. So do these trees have their seeds in berries, cones or nuts? The yew tree, does it have its seeds in a berry, a cone or a nut? Scots pine, does it have the seeds in berries? Does it have cones or does it have nuts? a hawthorn? Does it have its seeds in a berry, in a cone, or in a nut? A fir tree. Does it have berries? Does it have cones? Or does it have nuts? A fir tree.
All right, and the last one in round 2 is simply to say, what is this thing? It's a what is it round. So the first one, what is a chaffinch? What's a chaffinch? And what is a sycamore? A sycamore. What is an elm? An elm. And what is an ox-eye daisy? An ox-eye daisy.
So this round is all about what we call something. What do we call a bird's home? Where does a bird lay its eggs? Hopefully that's an easy one. What do we call a fox's home? Where does a fox live? Where does it have its cubs? What do we call a rabbit's home? Hopefully you know it's underground, but what do we call it? And what do we call a badger's home? Where does a badger live? It lives in a badger.
Okay, next ones are insects. Which one of these is an insect? A snail, a bluebottle, or kelp? A snail, a bluebottle, or kelp? Now, which one of these is an insect? Is it a tree creeper, thrift, or a grasshopper? Tree creeper, thrift, grasshopper. Which one of these is an insect? Meadow brown, spruce, jay. Meadow brown, spruce, jay. And which one of these is an insect? A mosquito, a mussel, or a slug? Mosquito, mussel, slug.
Okay, back to me. Which is larger of these two birds? A thrush or a robin? Which is the bigger bird, the thrush or the robin? Okay, this is about insects. Which is longer? An earwig or a common garden slug? Which is longer? An earwig or a common garden slug? Which is taller? A common nettle or a dandelion? Which is taller? A common nettle or a dandelion? Which is smaller of these two birds? A magpie or a blackbird? Which one of those two birds, a magpie or a blackbird, which one is smaller? So welcome to the photo round of the school's online wildlife quiz for 2021. We are going to show you some photographs of things on the screen, and we'd like you to write down what you think they are. Really hope you enjoyed this round of questions and that you'll be able to come back for the next round soon.
Bye.